Triumph, BMW, Ducati, Kawasaki, and now another Japanese manufacturer, Suzuki, is launching their adventure series in India. Hi, this is Dhruv here, and you're watching Ride Review Repeat. I'm talking about the V Strom 650 Adventure Tourer to be launched in India by mid-September at 7.5 lakhs ex-showroom. The standard variant comes with aluminium alloy wheels, 19 inches and 17 inches front and rear respectively. Comes with Bridgestone Battle Wing tires. But if that does not matter to you, then let me tell you that this motorcycle includes a new multi-function instrumental cluster, cargo rack, and the tank holds a capacity of 20 liters. The V Strom is powered by 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine with 6-speed transmission. It comes with 3 riding modes, ABS, and new exhaust system is lighter and closer to center of gravity, which will contribute to nimble handling. Conventional starting switches needs to be pressed by the rider until the engine starts, but Suzuki claims the new model has adopted Suzuki Easy Start system, enabling the engine to start with one push of the button. The closest rival to the Suzuki V Strom 650 is Kawasaki Versus 650, which is priced at around 6.6 lakhs ex-showroom. The V Strom will be the third Suzuki big bike to be assembled in India after Suzuki Hayabusa and the Suzuki GSX S750. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you loved it, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.